demonstration will show how to post-process Nastran results in Simcenter 3D when nodes and elements are not included in the OP2 results file. This will highlight new functionality delivered in version 24.12. So let's start by creating a new Fem and Sim in Simcenter 3D by importing an input file generated by Femap. So we import simulation, select Simcenter Nastran as the solver, and browse to our input file. So I'll accept the defaults here. It's going to create a new Fem and Sim, and it will create a solution related to this contents. So we look at that. It has a solution as linear statics, and it's matching what was in the input file. I can then use the specify results file to try to post-process this model's OP2 file. So I'll say OK to this, and when I open this results file, we'll get an error. It says no mesh found in the results file, and that's correct. The results file was created with the OGEOM equal no parameter, so the nodes and elements of the pre-processing model are not included in the OP2, and Simcenter 3D requires that node and element content via OGEOM equal yes to be in an OP2 file. So we can't post-process using the standard method, but in 24.12 we now have attach results. So I'll create a new attach results item, and here we have a toggle that says, the mesh source matches the pre-processing mesh. So the OP2 files that I select are going to have meshes that match the pre-processing content. And then we also have an option that says use the simulation from Simcenter 3D as the mesh for all the results files. So I'll use that option, and then I browse to my OP2 file, so the same one as before. Say OK to this, and here. And then we need to take a final step, and that is to edit the visualization node of our attached results and select load cases or subcases that we want to post-process. And this could be a list of multiple OP2 files with multiple subcases in each OP2 file. So I'll go ahead and say OK here, and then I can load those results and start generating contour plots, and I do all the post-processing necessary for current model. And that's how you post-process results files with no geometry in Simcenter 3D as of version 24.12. This is limited to linear statics solutions and multi-step nonlinear 401 solutions in 24.12 and 25.06. And I believe that will be the case also for 25.12.